Hi, got another unboxing video and it's another ASOS box. I had this morning, I ordered it a few days ago, so if you've seen my last ASOS video, it was only about a week or 2 weeks ago that I unboxed it, and if you remember I mentioned to you that they don't do a subscription box as such and they only bring out special edition beauty boxes every now and again. So I had a bit of a shock when I found out that they brought out this festival box, so I had to get it. Obviously I had to get it. So the box cost £12 and it's £3 postage and packaging, so you're talking £15 in all. So inside you get a mix of makeup items and enough makeup to create a makeup look. So in this case it's a festival look. So if you want me to create a festival look using these products, please let me know down below and I will do that. But yeah, I was just shocked because I was led to believe that they just bring them out every couple of months. So wouldn't it be wonderful if they brought them out monthly? I will find out. I am going to message them and see if I can get any information about these boxes. If there is some information to let you know, I will link it down below. I'll also link down below all the products that are featured in this box, and I will tot it all up to give you an overall price of what these products will cost individually. Now on the website they show you what exactly you're going to receive in the box, so it's not a surprise beauty box. Considering this box cost me £15, I know from the list of items that this box is going to way exceed the actual cost, and I can't wait to see everything and to show you. So let's open it up. So there you go. So if you didn't know already, ASOS is an online retail store. You can buy mainly fashion, but they do jewellery and beauty products, and they do makeup as well. So all the items inside this box you can actually buy on their website. So that's where I'll be looking for my links afterwards. So that's what it looks like inside, and there's a little leaflet here. Just give you a quick look. And let's see what this little leaflet says. So it says, heading to a festival? I'm not, unfortunately, but never mind. The only thing more important than the sun shining is serving looks that make blagging your way backstage a breeze. And this box contains an explosion of colour and metallic sure to grant you VIP access. First on the lineup is the ultimate crowd pleaser, MAC's Lady Danger lipstick. Next up, it's time to find your sparkle with the ASOS design makeup and mermaid glitter gel from BOD. The headline act comes from Line Crime and its Diamond Crusher iridescent lip finish in the aptly named shade Lit. Make your way to the main stage and go play. The fact it's got a Line Crime product and a MAC lipstick. Oh yeah, I had to buy it. Hands down, had to buy it. The items don't come with any information, so hopefully there'll be enough information on there to let you know what they do and what they like and everything. So the first item is a MAC lipstick. I don't own MAC makeup. Well, I've got an eyebrow pencil, but it's quite old and I don't like it. And yeah, it's the only MAC I've ever had, and yeah, I'm so excited to have a MAC lipstick. It is in shade Lady Danger. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. There you go. It looks like a tampon, but it doesn't matter. That is so cool. Oh yeah, I wear red all the time. I absolutely love red lipsticks. There you go. That is super lovely, isn't it? Let's try it on my hand. A classic red, yeah, classic reddy orange tone. You can see there. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So many people say MAC lipsticks are fab, so yeah, I get to try. Next item is the Line Crime, and it's a Diamond Crushers. Now I know that these are worth like £17, £18 on Cult Beauty, because I've had a look, and yeah, they're worth quite a bit of money. So considering I paid £15 for this box, my gosh, you know. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love the packaging, absolutely love the packaging. All pink and sparkly. Oh wow, all different colours, but mainly like a rose gold colour, and I'll just put it on top of the red as well. You can see it's got like gold particles. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see there? I'm not sure how much you'll pick up on the camera. That is gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try it. I don't own Line Crime. I don't own anything Line Crime. So, no, I'm excited to try that. The next item is a pot of Body On Demand. It's Mermaid Glitter Gel, and it's fish-friendly glitter. Glitter your bod. So it's a big pot of blue body glitter. Oh, I wouldn't personally put it on my body, but I would put that on my hair. Or, oh my gosh, I didn't know though, that would be quite pretty. See that it's got all different particles in there, the purple as well. Oh wow, oh that's so nice. But yeah, I suppose doing a little bit maybe on your cheeks or something, that'd be really pretty. I was just thinking smothering it all over my arms or whatever. No, need to be a little bit more artistic, I think. But no, so that's the third item. And then the next two are in these padded pouches. I've got two here, and they're ASOS glitter pots. And there's some information about it here. But they are absolutely gorgeous colours. This is like a pearly iridescent colour, which I'll put on my hand now. And this one is so, so pretty. It's got purple and pinks, and it's got silver. Oh, it's gorgeous. These pots are really nice. Really, really nice. So let's open the purple one. Ah, I see. It's got a little mirror, and it's got a cream. So you apply the cream. I'm guessing, anyway. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see there? Hopefully the camera will pick it up, but it's just there. Can you see the different lights? I'm not sure. Oh, that is gorgeous. Very, very subtle, but I love that cream. It makes the glitter stay put, no problem. Oh, it's nice. Let's try the other one. This has got like purple shimmers in it as well. Oh, it's so pretty. There, hopefully you can see that. On my hand just there. Difference in colour. Oh, that is so nice. I love the fact you've got that cream, because you could do some actual detail work, especially on your eyes. And it's just stuck. It's not coming off. It doesn't rub off or anything. Well, I'm not rubbing hard, but oh, that is so pretty. So yeah, sorry, it's not a cream, it's a wax. That's what I should have said. that's all it says in the booklet, is to apply the wax and press on the glitter to make sure the glitter stays put for a long time. So those are the items. So I'll just gather them all together. So there's 5 items in this box. So we've got a glitter body gel, we've got a MAC lipstick, we've got a lime crime lip topper, and we've got 2 glitter pots with wax. So no, that is so, so cool. So, so cool. I don't think I would go full on glitter as a normal day-to-day look, but definitely, you know, for going out or something like that. But if you'd like me to pull a look together using these items, then please let me know. I will do so. I can't wait to try that lipstick as well. So no, I'm chuffed with that box. Really chuffed. So yeah, so £15 a box. I think it's a bargain, and I can't wait now to actually go have a look online to see how much everything costs individually and tot it all up, because I bet you're looking at probably around £50 odd, guessing. I don't know. I'll also find out if ASOS are going to be doing these on a monthly basis. That would be brilliant. It'd be so good. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you gave me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you would subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.